Hey, this is Armpit. I'm just going to go over how to install this V2 threaded tensioner. To start with, you're going to need your M5 nut and M5 20 bolt. You just slide the nut in the hole and thread this through the nut until it's flush with the plastic back there. Not super critical. Then you go ahead and just slide that on the rail. Let me move this closer. You slide that on the rail. There's a little opening for the belt to go into. The belt has the grooves against the rail. So you just kind of hold it finger tight and get your clamping ring. This extended part goes to fill the gap on the flat part back there. Squeeze it together until the belt is kind of pinched there. And just holding the tension out of it is all you need to do at this point. Thread your flower nut on. Finger tight, just get it there so the belt is held in place. And then if you did print this tool, you can use it to crank down on it a little more, get it held in place. And that's kind of the tension we have now. You'll adjust that out by just finger tightening this. So now I've got tension starting to get removed. Okay. And then you have the little decorative optional cap that you can put on. You can also use this tool to tighten it down. And then to add tension, you just kind of thread this bolt. And like that right there is probably plenty of tension. Doesn't even have to be that tight, but if you have slippage, just add a little more tension.